Creepypasta fanatics rejoice, more Creepypasta TV goodness is on its way. Hey, what's up guys, Daniel here with HGN. If you're not familiar what a creepypasta is, it's basically a forum online where you submit very interesting horror stories that often get copied and pasted on the internet and get passed on as modern urban legend, hence the name creepypasta, copy, paste. Now with that out the way, Sci-Fi has greenlit a show called Channel Zero that premiered on October 11th of this year that's based around the creepypasta story known as Candle Cove. Now before the show has even premiered, the heads at Sci-Fi thought, you know what, this show is going to do so good that we should greenlit a season 2. Now honestly, in my opinion, it's kind of crazy the show already got a season 2 before season 1 has already aired, but the idea of televised creepypasta is a very good one, considering they're so popular online. Now season 2 is going to be based on the creepypasta known as No One House, the story of a girl who goes to a somewhat haunted home to win $500 by traveling through 10 rooms, each room getting increasingly difficult and more horrific. Now it's really hard to say if the story is going to be any good, but based on the trailers that Sci-Fi has been putting out here and there for Channel Zero, I have really good hopes for the show. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Creepypastas on TV a good thing? And which one would you like to see next on Channel Zero? But if horror isn't really your thing, you'd like something a little bit more lighthearted, go ahead and click on this video, which I talk about the remake, the live-action remake of The Lion King. But if that's still too childish for you, that's okay, go ahead and click on this video where there's a few set photos for the Spider-Man Homecoming film and my personal theory on how Iron Man's completely implicated on the film. But as always, that's all I have for you guys today. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to stay updated on the latest movie and TV news, and I'll see you guys next time.